How to fix not receiving verification codes issue. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few ways to fix it when you are not receiving verification code text on your device. There may be a number of reasons why you are not receiving your verification codes, and one of the first thing to take is definitely your network connection. And I'm not talking about your data connection or Wi-Fi signal, but rather your cell phone signal. So make sure you have a strong cell phone signal. The other thing that you need to check is your phone number. Who doesn't know their own cell phone number, right? But hey, sometimes mistake happens and it's all right. So make sure you are giving it the correct phone number. The next thing you need to do is ensure that you don't have any SMS filtering services that may be blocking the incoming messages. And you might want to go ahead and check the spam folder if you have any in your message box. It is usually on the settings option, so go ahead and check that out. And we all know that we cannot receive phone calls or text messages when the airplane mode is on. And we're not that dumb, right? But sometimes, as I mentioned earlier, mistake happens. So make sure that your airplane mode is turned off, okay? Additionally, you can also try turning the airplane mode on and off a few times and see if that works out. And if nothing works, I suggest you to find another way to verify your account. Also, remember to be patient because sometimes it may take a while for the verification codes to arrive. Anyways, those were our solutions to help you fix a verification code not receiving on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.